Hi, I'm Angela. I'm a product specialist at Mother's Choice Products. One of the things that you may be thinking about now that you're pregnant is your labor and how to manage your labor pain. It's something we all have thought about if we've been pregnant. And one of the things that you can do is use a TENS machine. Perfect Mama TENS is designed specifically for moms in labor because what it is designed for is to help you labor at home longer. So it comes with a machine and it comes with the electrodes. And how it works is you place the electrodes on your back, on either side of your spine, just below your bra strap, and then place them on your lower back. So it does come with a diagram and tells you how to put the electrodes on, so it's not like it's hard. You want to make sure they're in the right spot. And if you don't have them in the right spot right away, you can actually lift these up and move them around as needed. So before you turn your device on, you're going to plug the channels into the bottom, plug the leads into the bottom, and the machine works on 2 AA batteries, so it's a good idea to have a spare set with you. It also has a lanyard so that you can hang it from your neck as you're wandering around, because this is meant to keep you mobile for as long as possible. If you have a pair of pants, you can actually use this belt clip. It just slides on, and then you can actually clip it to the waistband of your pants or whatever you're wearing. So when you're ready to go, you turn the machine on using the on button. It comes on program A. So program A is where you would want to start at the beginning of your labor journey. You can actually try this at about 37 weeks, not before, if you want to feel how the sensation is. So program A sends small bursts of nerve stimulation to override the pain and send endorphins to your brain.
When you are ready, push the up arrow to start the stimulation. Keep pushing until you get to a comfortable level. You can adjust the level up or down anytime as needed, and you may need to increase the stimulation as your body gets used to the sensation or your labor progresses.
When you're having a contraction, what you'll do is you'll hit the boost button. So what that does is it switches it to program A2. So A2 sends a continuous signal while you're having your contraction so that it overrides the signals to your brain and can help you labor during that contraction longer. When your contraction is over, you hit the boost button to go back to program A1. When the next contraction comes, hit the boost button again. So for the early stages of your labor, program A should be sufficient. As your labor progresses and the pain becomes a little bit more intense, what you'll do is you'll switch to program B. So program B sends different signals to the brain. They just are a little bit stronger because your body needs them. So it works in the exact same way. So program B1, when you have a contraction, push the boost button. It switches to program B2. When your contraction is finished, you go to program B1 again. So throughout your labor journey, you can be mobile, you can be walking around. This will just help you labor at home as long as possible so that you can be more comfortable in your own environment. When your labor intensifies and program B2 may not be working as well as it used to because your body gets used to it, then you'll switch to program C. So program C works in a different fashion. It's just a continuous pulse all the time. When you hit the boost button during your contraction, it actually amplifies the pain relief. Then when you're done, you hit the boost button again and it goes back to the way it was. The same way that you did it for program A and B, but it just works in a different fashion. It does come with an instruction manual so that you can read all about it ahead of time. It shows you where to put the pads. It tells you all about the different programs. It comes with a little travel kit so you can just have it stashed away in your labor bag before you get ready to go to the hospital. And it is recommended by midwives. It's approved by Health Canada. It's a really great tool to have in your toolkit for when your labor starts. You can buy this at online retailers, and some midwives will carry it. So just ask your midwife about it and maybe she would recommend it.